There are 96.2 million mobile workers in the U.S. Over half are accessing confidential information when they're on the go, allowing private information to become vulnerable to visual hackers. To keep your confidential digital information private, use Fellows PrivaScreen Blackout Privacy Filters for total blackout privacy protection. PrivaScreen filters darken the screen image when viewed from the side to prevent prying eyes from reading your screen. On-screen data is only visible from a straight-on view. Why risk an invasion of privacy when simple and effective PrivaScreen filters can ensure peace of mind? And with new Quick Reveal tabs, you can remove and reattach your PrivaScreen filter quickly and easily. Use Quick Reveal tabs to collaborate with coworkers by temporarily removing and easily restoring privacy. Choose from a variety of sizes to accommodate the most popular models of laptops, monitors, and tablets, so you can find the Fellows PrivaScreen filter that's right for you. Fellows PrivaScreen filters. Privacy you can trust.